Since I had posted a few videos on YouTube about the flip video camcorders, someone asked me to show the features of the Flip Video Ultra, the new camcorder from Pure Digital Technologies. I have to say that I have not been hired or paid by Pure Digital Technologies to do this video.
The Flip Video Camcorder is a gadget that is very easy to use. On the back it has a small screen that shows you what you are recording. Then you have on the left a play button and on the right a delete button. In the center there are the controls for the volume and the zoom in and zoom out, and the red button to start or stop the recording. On one side you have the turn on and off button. On the other side you have my favorite feature, the USB port that allows you to connect directly to our computer and download your video files. There's also a TV jack to connect to your TV with a cable provided with the camera, so you can show your videos on TV. And that's it, very simple. That's the Flip Video Ultra.